Okay, I'm filming, so explain what you're doing if you want.
I'm moving the y-axis front and back,
Okay.
and now I'll move the x.
Seems pretty smooth. And again, this is all manual. You haven't programmed anything in.
No.
You're gonna move the power up to, you say the max RPM is 3,500? And you're going up to what now?
3,500. No, 4,500 is max RPM.
4,500, okay. Wow. Okay, take it back down. The variable drive. Very nice. So you got power in the X.
I do.
Power in the X, power in the Y, power in the quill, and the knee is manual.
Correct.
Just, okay. Okay, what else can you show me? Can you show me anything else?
Not really.
Not really, and you can,
I can run it manually. I can move the table around.
so you can run it in manual mode or CNC mode, right?
You can.
And the table's enclosed because it has a coolant system. And you got a coolant pump down there, and you got automated one-shot loop system. And you also have, you can put on the coolant pump and you can run coolant on it.
Correct.
And right there's a connection, and the table's enclosed so you can run coolant and keep your chips contained. Anything else you want me to know about it?
That's it.